Now the thing about a lookup is it's very powerful because it has two parts to it. You can either type a code into the code field, hit tab, and if there's a match it'll populate everything straight away, or you can go and look up the whole table and search for a certain word in a record. It's very powerful. But once you've selected a record, then you can do a couple of other things. First of all, we'll just have a look at adding JavaScript. Now this is a sort of a pointless bit of JavaScript, but as soon as I pick something there, then it comes up with an alert which I've put in there. But what you do with that is up to you. The other thing about a lookup is it's the only object that uses PHP, because it's the only object that goes back to the database to get an answer. So as we go back to the database to get an answer, we can also do some more stuff back here. So we can create some PHP that will tell us when something's saved and we know the value that we've selected, then go and get this value from there and then put it on this spot on the edit page. So it's going to update that and it's going to update that. There we go. So that's the last object we had to go through.